Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today, let me show you how you can auto-forward emails in Gmail step by step. It's really easy, so let's get started. First, open your Gmail account. Click on the top right corner to go to Settings. Then select See All Settings. You'll be in the General tab of Gmail settings. Next, go to Forwarding and pop/IMAP and click Add a forwarding address. Enter the email address you want to forward emails to. Then click Next and proceed. A confirmation code will be sent to the forwarding email address. Go to that email, find a confirmation code, and copy it. Return to Gmail, paste the code into the verification box, and click Verify. Once verified, emails sent to your Gmail will automatically forward it to the address you provided. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.